Thank you again for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. As you can clearly see, we are doing an emergency remanufacture on one of the large Philadelphia extruder gearboxes for one of our top clients. As you can see here, all bearings and seals will be replaced from the OEM. And you can see the catastrophic failure here at the box due to no oil. The cut heel pump went out and caused all the pinions to wear out. We're also remanufacturing the two new intermediate gears that run up with this and regrinding and repairing the two herringbone gears to compensate. We're going to be repairing the shaft seal areas and then doing the emergency reassembling to our customer. We should have this box up and back running in 3 to 4 days. Please stay tuned. You'll see a step-by-step procedure in the process. Once we are through repairing, we're putting it on our Lucas test bench and test this thing at 2,000 RPM to make sure there's no vibration, overheating, or any abnormalities. Thank you again, and please continue to watch. Thank you again for watching our videos here at National Gear. As you can clearly see, we are grinding our first intermediate gear. Then we'll be grinding our pinions. Please stay tuned to see the rest of this video. Thank you again for watching our videos. This here is our assembly process for a Philadelphia large extruder gearbox that we are doing under emergency rush repair. We manufactured a brand new drive shaft, manufactured two brand new pinions, high-speed pinions, manufactured two new helical gears, repaired and reground the herringbone gears, and as you can see here, all brand new bearings and seals. Not to mention we repaired the motor and repaired the pump. We are getting ready to test. Please stay tuned. Thank you again for watching. As you can clearly see, our testing has begun about 4 hours to go back. So far, no vibration, no overheating or any leaking. We did run a bi-directional test, and as you clearly saw in the video, upon arrival, disassembled, we manufactured new shafts, new gears, pinions and intermediate gears, repaired and reground the herringbone gears. Reset all the backlash to OEM, and everything is running smoothly. Thank you again for watching. Have a great day.